Today, we're starting our first class of Adobe Illustrator. Before diving in, it's crucial to clarify a common misconception. Is Photoshop better than Illustrator or vice versa? The truth is, they serve different purposes without competition. Adobe creates both softwares, so there's no conflict between them. Photoshop excels in image editing, while Illustrator is designed for creating vector illustrations. We'll delve into what vectors and rasters are later, but for now, know that Illustrator is ideal for logos, icons, and more intricate designs. It's widely used for modern flat designs and even mobile app UIs. Illustrator offers vast opportunities. Mastering it can lead to earning online through platforms like 99 Designs. Let's begin. This is Illustrator's interface, somewhat similar to Photoshop. On the left, you have the toolbar with various tools for different tasks. You can customize the interface, moving tools as needed. On the right, you'll find panels, not to be confused with the toolbar. I recommend expanding these panels for detailed options unless it affects your workspace. Let's create a new file. When creating a new file, you can choose from predefined sizes like mobile, web, print, etc. Let's stick with inches for now and create. Here's our new document, letter size. You can also work with multiple artboards if needed. For now, let's focus on a single page. Now, let's explore the toolbar. The first tool is the Selection Tool, essential for selecting objects. Next to it is the Direct Selection Tool, used for selecting specific points within an object. Another important feature is the tiny arrow next to each tool in the toolbar. This arrow indicates additional tools hidden underneath. Click and hold on a tool to reveal a drop-down menu with more options. Let's begin with the Rectangle tool. This tool is familiar. You've likely used it in software like Microsoft Paint. It allows you to create simple rectangles here in Illustrator. Click and drag to create a rectangle. If you simply click without dragging, Illustrator prompts you to specify the dimensions right away. Let's make a square of 3 inches. You can also make a square while pressing Shift while dragging to maintain proportions. Next, let's explore the Selection tool. It not only selects but also allows you to resize, move, and rotate objects. To rotate, hover outside the resize handle until your cursor changes, then click and drag. Hold Shift for constrained rotations, like 45 degrees. You can duplicate the objects while performing the action. Press Alt while dragging to duplicate an object. Sometimes we need same action on the artboard. So for this, press Ctrl+D, which repeats the last transformation applied with the Selection tool. For example, moving an object and then pressing Ctrl+D repeats the movement. If you want to select all the objects on the artboard, then simply press Ctrl+ for selecting all objects on the artboard. To delete selected objects, simply press Delete. Now, let's try the Polygon tool to create a hexagon. You can adjust the number of sides and other properties in the Options panel. After creating, use the Selection tool to duplicate and arrange objects. At the bottom of the toolbar, you have Fill and Stroke options. Fill determines the inner color of an object, while Stroke is the outline. Double-click on either to select colors from the Color panel. To change the color of multiple selected objects, choose a color and apply it. That's it for now. This is just the beginning. Illustrator has much more to offer. Feel free to ask questions in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for updates. See you in the next class where we'll explore more tools and techniques in Illustrator.